Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to program your Honda Odyssey remote control. First, gather all the remote transmitters you want to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is in good condition, as a low battery can interfere with the programming process. This entire sequence is quite straightforward and typically takes just a few minutes to complete, getting you back on the road with a functional remote. To begin, sit in the driver's seat with all your remotes. Insert the key into the ignition and turn it to the on or to position. Within 4 seconds, press the lock button on one of your remotes. Immediately turn the key to the OFF or 0 position. You'll need to repeat this exact sequence of turning the key on, pressing lock, and turning the key OFF, a total of 3 times without hesitation. After the third cycle, turn the ignition key to the on or to position one final time. Now, press the lock button on the first remote you wish to program. You should hear the door lock cycle, indicating the vehicle has entered programming mode. Within 10 seconds, press the lock button on every other remote you want to program. The door locks will cycle each time a remote is successfully registered. Once all your remotes have been programmed, simply turn the ignition key to the OFF, or 0 position. Then, remove the key from the ignition. This action will automatically exit the vehicle from programming mode. It's crucial to test all your newly programmed remotes right away. Verify that the lock, unlock, and panic buttons function perfectly, ensuring a successful setup for all your devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.